Afternoon, fishermen. Today's Thursday, October 25th, 2018. Over here at Santa Ana River Lakes in the back, Chris's Pond Imperial Catfish truck with those famous blue and silver catfish from Imperial Catfish Farm, highest quality catfish. Guys, we only have a couple more stockings left of these catfish. Then we're gonna start our trout November 8th. That'll be our pre-stocking. We'll have our opener following after that. November 16th with a stocking on the 15th. We stock every Thursday. We're closed every Thursday for stocking fish. If you want your first chance to get those hard fighting pink meat Sierra Bow trout, you want to be here November 9th. Our official opener is the week after that. Then we got the big boys coming for Thanksgiving weekend. Check fishinglakes.com for more details. All right, fishermen, we are over at Casa Corner now.
Here we go.
All right, next tank, still here at Casa.
Tank 2 here at Casa Corner. Here we go.
All right, last tank hooked up.
Here we go.